Welcome back, everyone. I was very happy when the city recently buried the power line from the street to my house. You can see the ugly conduit there bumping out from the flare in my siding. The line run down to the basement. They buried the line from the street through the backyard, under the shed, and up to next to the house. You can see the guys in the bucket truck removing the conduit. I'm very glad to see that go. Here's a before shot with that bump out I mentioned. And the after, the new conduit coming up from underground, connecting to a new electrical panel. I've got a little touch-up painting to do. Here's the old view from the side porch. Now nothing but blue sky. Here are the guys removing the line from the pole to the house. Eventually, after the cable lines are removed, that telephone pole is going away too. That's quite an eyesore that will soon be gone. Pretty stoked. Thanks for watching, everybody.